This dance is called Bad Intentions 32 count 2-wall dance. Our restarts will turn you around by myself, Joshua Talbot. I'm going to run through the whole dance first with the words and then the counts, and then you can fast forward if you wish to break down per section. Let's face the front. We're going to get the whole thing done. Weights on your right foot. Step forward on your left. Anchor, step, back. Back, lock, step, sweep with a pop. Recover 1 1/4, triple, turn, side. Sailor step, together, ball, cross. Quarter step, sailor step, together, quarter. Recover, back of the pony, right, back left. Jump back with a little, extend, recover, rock, recover, half turn, sweep a quarter, cross together, step, cross together, turn. We're going to do it all the way through with the counts. Weights on your right foot. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. There are 2 restarts, one on wall number 2 at count 16 and one at wall number 5, also count 16. The first restart will start at the front wall and restart to the back, and the second restart will start at the back wall and restart to the front. We need to get to count 16, which is your left foot, sailor, step together, cross, 1, 2. Now usually we would step, sailor, step together, quarter. What we're going to replace is our sailor step there with a quarter turn and no little gallop. We sailor, sailor step, pause, ready to start on that left foot. Let's face the front. We're going to do the first restart on wall number 2, which will take you to the back. Left foot leading, wall 2, short wall, step 1, anchor 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1. We start the dance again. And as mentioned, that restart will happen again on wall number 5, facing the front. We're going to break it down now per section, so we'll do 8 counts each, with the words first all the way through, and then we'll do it with the counts. Face the front with me for section 1. Section 1, weights on your right foot, stepping forward on your left. Right foot, we're doing an anchor step, behind, step, back. Right, left, back on the right. Using your left foot, we're going to lock step, back, cross, back. Sweep that right foot back as you pop your left knee. Recover your weight on count 7. We're doing a 1 1/4 turn triple, half, half, quarter. Now as you're rolling around, don't travel too far. Half together, come out to the quarter side, ready for our next section. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Section number 2, we've already come out of section 1, stepping to the right, and that is count number 1. We're going behind with the left foot, a sailor step, together, cross, behind, out, out, right foot comes together, and the left foot's going to cross. We're doing a half turn walk around, right foot forward a quarter turn, a further quarter turn stepping a single step to your left as we go into a right foot sailor step, behind, out, out, bring your left foot together, making a quarter turn forward on your 1. Now you don't need to make that full quarter turn just yet. You can keep yourself on a slight little angle, step and 1, and you straighten up on that next section. Let's face our 9 o'clock direction. We're going to do it with the count. Weights on our right foot. That's count number 1 from the previous section. Left foot sailor. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Now we have already stepped right foot forward on count number 1. We're going to recover your weight back on your left foot. Now traveling back, we're doing 2 little pony steps, 2 little anchor steps, 2 little triple steps, depending where you dance, depends on the name of them. Our right foot's going to step back slightly, and we're going to do a little rock, a little cha-cha on the spot, back and step, and you bring your left foot back and repeat, back and step. Weight should be now on your left foot. For the last section count here, we're going to jump back onto your right for count 7. Extend that left foot. You can lean back a little bit, and then we're going to step forward onto that left. Please keep your balance. So that last part there, jump 7 and a nice step forward on 8. Let's stay on the back wall here. We're going to do it with the count. Righties forward on count 1. Recover your weight. 2. Back. 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. We're going to turn this around to the front wall just so you can watch what you need to do without looking over your shoulder. Rights forward on your right foot for count 1. Recover your weight back on 2. Our 2 pony steps back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Jump back on 7 as you extend and forward for 8. Left foot. What we're going to do now is our last section. You'll be at the back wall and we're going to bring it to the front. Now for the last section of 3, you've done your back, recover, 7, 8. We're now going to rock forward on your right for 1. Recover your weight back onto your left as we do a half turn stepping on your right foot. Now nothing too big, just step. We want to plant your weight down, ready to do a very slow sweep, a quarter turn right for 1 count. To finish up the dance, we're going to cross our left foot over, in front, side, together, take weight left, and we're going to cross our right foot over, quarter turn stepping together with your left, and a half turn stepping together with your right. And that last turn is traveling over your right shoulder. We're just going to practice this one more time. Cross, step, step, cross, quarter, half. Let's give that a try to the front. Left foot over, cross, step, step, cross, quarter, half. Face the back wall with me. We're going to do that last 8 counts with the count. Right foot's rocking forward on 1, recover, 2, half, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Your weight's on your right foot and you're now ready to start the dance again. We've now completed the 4 sections with words and the counts. Remember, you can go back to the beginning of the video if you wish to do it all continuously without stopping, or you can slow it down using the settings on YouTube if you wish. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this dance. This is called Bad Intentions by myself, Joshua Talbot.